Hello guys, what's up? Let's take a look at this message right here. Before we take a look, I want to show you guys one of the picture which I want to talk about today. You guys see this young lady right here. Well, this picture was posted on October 5 or October 5 2022. It said a man shop needs ear for going to church. A 16 years old girl from Ador Malegdid in Warab State is left with her hair forcefully redesigned through cutting by the ankle. It can never get worse for the young Ashul Mabil. Well, after receiving serious beating by the uncle, who decided to make her deaf by cutting one of her hair for not listening to him. The message is all about because if you look at this, I'm gonna play it a little bit, but let me talk about it. So her hair was cut off just because of refusing to listen to her uncle, and the fact was that she was trying to go to church, and her uncle do not want her to pray in the Seven Adventist church. So you can see it right here. Many people are commenting here. This is an interview with Con Mabil, the brother of the young girl whose her uncle cut off her hair for refusing to stop praying at the Seventh-day Adventist church. So it is like people are not do not want people to pray in the Seventh Adventist or something, or they just against that. So let's take a look. Let's hear from the young boy here.
Hello, viewers of Dalwat Media. We greet you wherever you are, and thanks for tuning in to Dalwat Media. Today we are having interview with Konma Bie, the brother of the young girl that her uncle cut up a year because she refused to stop praying at Seventh-day Adventist Church in a Pongirtik community of Warab State.
I think you guys hear it. Just because she refused to stop praying at the Seventh Adventist Church.
Dialogue so that many people will actually understand the explanation of what really happened. Konma Bia in Chuglo, Shanbata Dalwat Media. And thanks for having interviewed Dalwat Media. Can you really tell us what really happened? Natural Lord,
Nyan Kaiti Chela Kanisa ko reasonable in Kanisa Echela Kanisa wo len jam kayen kulwel mal kubachila Kanisa go nyantin go mol ku chibela Kanisa yen len ala gobwal ka welawon ke to yogop a chi mem ken nyantin awon a chelok dok go nyantin jam kulwel wala ne ngu chi met man kai chena bay kala ko kak o ga chin riel to ko ke ko ngwan ku bula Kanisa go len jay kulel ko chela Kanisa ayi le ba ke chit ken balwel ku yin man nya so ten bay chi mantin won ben nya awon me to yen chi nyantin tak kulwel na che wala ka to lo ka ngwan ku bula Kanisa cho sebende because wa che ben ma pin wali ku wa ma bie e cheran iran wal na chi wolo ben ka wal bi wotol ka ngwan bula sebende endi chi nyantin jala Kanisa tin go wol jalo gi ku bi ku jo nok ku jo temi medi jal weda won chena ka to e chin nok ko pe chi tem ko chin nok po duoy lom ku ju a chi duoy ye po yin chen jakat bula warap ku en jo ko Kanisa ne nyai tin jek la yen ilaj ko chi ya nyai ka to ko yumarai panechol ko jok en jo wole yob ko wi bi ja ben no en reason en le nyantin Kanisa kanen ku Kanisa che kentan a chetan ka karaj a chin ga chol gwe ko chin ga cho chwer Kanisa kene ka pye ko ku bai be nge le twen ka loy ka pat a ko pen ka chol gwe ko pen ka chol deg ma ku ma tap ku jala chwer ru chal wa ko a che ka ko Kanisa kana ai ka loy e Kanisa won ko chong nin pi cha baba e ka pye ku bi ga to ka loy ka ken a chirane pol bi ya dagrut ko bena lui ko len chi ke lu ro ko yum sibit lakin wada won ki ededi ko ye ko ja kwani ene tinga Kanisa kene Kanisa karaj.
Okay, Thank you so much, my brother. You need to tell us. Wol ci jam ko go but ci wolol ga ci ñantine ci macho gate for 1 month mu ko ne ñantine macho gate
ñantine ci la kanisa twin go wollo go yob ku le ku bi a ci la kanisa go wol yo ka ci wuj ba bela go ñantine luy num riel ka daman won ci luy num riel go ayen mejene ci 1 month go ñantine we yenan ci mol kanisa daman ci ñantine ci mol kanisa go ayen jo men ken ben bej won ci men ken ben bej go ñantine wel na ci akdet benen be men ka bej kirmen ka ngwan ba du kanisa en te ci met ban met todin go ñantine ja du kanisa ku jol wol ja benatin ka nek ku jol wel ka
namen e kanisa jol de ken ye ñantine rokun
damane tien la 7 day
no kanisa ye rokun to 7 day
kanisa ye rokun 7 day e kin chowli tia ke bai panin ki elwel ana de ko ya jal bu ko ya ni we ko ya la ben yom lat men on friday elwit ko ya la yom sibit ko la yom sibit kanisa yi ko na kar bu ko ja ben du yom sibit de be
okay yana
Thank you, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. So this is what I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.